This video is an overview of the SimVT workflow tool new to Oasys 21. The name SimVT comes from the fact that its primary purpose is to correlate simulation versus test data. Additionally, the main motivation for the tool was to provide support for vehicle manufacturers who need to correlate their simulation crash results against their physical test results as part of the Euro NCAP Farside virtual testing protocol. SimVT is a powerful interactive tool for correlating simulation data versus test, or indeed any combination of LS-DYNA models, ISO-MME data, or CSV data. It supports the Euro NCAP Virtual Farside Simulation and Assessment Protocol, and it can be used to identify sensors that fail to pass validation criteria 1. SimVT seamlessly aligns simulation curves to test using ISO-MME channel codes. You can create custom rules for pairing approximate matches. This may be required if test data channels have been labeled using a different naming convention. The tool makes it easy to perform many correlations for multiple data sources at once, and the corridor and cross-correlation graphs can be plotted and navigated with ease. Corrective operations can be applied to any of the curves. For example, it may become apparent that the sign of the curve needs to be flipped, or that the rotation channels need to be scaled from degrees to radians. Rating results are displayed in a table, and the weighted sensor scores are automatically calculated, so that, for virtual testing applications, their performance can be assessed against validation criterion 1. Results can be exported to CSV. Additionally, at any point, a settings file can be saved, which can be loaded later to restore the session. This is just a quick overview introducing SimVT and some of its key features. To get started using SimVT in your own projects, check out the SimVT Quick Start Guides. Thanks for watching. I hope you find SimVT a really useful tool in your projects. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions, comments, and requests.